Want to speak English confidently at a restaurant? Practice this real conversation with us.
Stay with us and learn useful English sentences you can use in real life.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ms.English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sophia. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
Sophia, today we have a very interesting and useful topic for English learners.
That sounds exciting, James. So tell everyone, what are we learning today?
Today we are learning English conversation at a restaurant.
That is a very practical topic because many people go to restaurants, cafes, and food places every day.
Exactly. And if you know simple English sentences, ordering food becomes very easy.
That's right. So today we will practice real-life English that you can actually use.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MS English Talk, and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for supporting our channel.
All right, Sophia, let's begin our restaurant conversation. Imagine I am the waiter and you are the customer.
Sounds great. Let's start.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much. This place looks really nice.
Thank you. Here is the menu. What would you like to order?
Let me check the menu first.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I would like a chicken burger and a glass of orange juice.
Excellent choice. Our chicken burger is one of our most popular meals.
That sounds good. I would also like some French fries.
Perfect. Would you like anything for dessert later?
Not right now, maybe after the meal.
No problem. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your time here.
James, I think this conversation is very useful for beginners.
Absolutely. Restaurant English is something people use very often in daily life.
Can you teach our listeners some important restaurant sentences?
Of course. The first useful sentence is, "Can I see the menu, please?"
You use the sentence when you want to check food options before ordering.
Another useful sentence is, "I would like to order."
This means you are ready to choose your food.
You can also say, "Can I have some water, please?"
You could also say, "Can I have some water, please?"
Another important sentence is, "How long will it take?"
You use this when you want to know how much time your food needs.
And after finishing your meal, you can say, "Could I get the bill, please?"
That sentence is very important when you are ready to pay.
Now, let's continue our restaurant conversation.
Great. I finished my meal. It was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Did you like the burger?
Yes, it was amazing. I really liked it.
That's wonderful to hear. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. Could I get the bill, please?
Of course. Your total is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You see, everyone, speaking English at restaurants is not difficult.
Exactly. You only need to remember a few simple and useful sentences. Practice these conversations again